Hello, and thank you for your interest in the Smart Medicine Organizer developed by Cardinal Support, LLC. Today we'll be discussing 5 features of the organizer. The first feature involves the layout. The organizer has 7 permanent columns and 7 permanent rows. The basic model allows you to store up to 7 medicines or medicine doses for each day of the week. The deluxe model includes 7 removable sidewalls, allowing you to form 7 more columns for a total of 14 medicine or medicine doses for each day of the week. Next, we'll discuss labeling. You'll notice space to the right of the 7 rows for labeling days of the week. Above each column is labeling space for administration times, such as 7 a.m., noon, or at bedtime, or for administration frequencies, such as every 8 hours as needed or twice daily as needed. Both the basic and deluxe models come with 2 blue sheets containing 160 labels each, with several labels left blank for customization. Now let's discuss the 7 sliding lids. Each lid slides horizontally, left or right, spanning all the columns for one day of the week. The lids combine with the organizer, forming a resistance feature that allows the user to click the lid into place over any one of the 7 columns of the basic model or 14 columns of the deluxe model. If any one of the lids are turned 180 degrees, the resistance feature is disabled. The deluxe model also contains 7 spring-operated button lid locks, allowing additional security if the organizer is ever dropped. The next feature we'll discuss is the pull-out. The organizer is composed of a top and bottom piece. An opening between the 2 pieces allows a piece of paper or pull-out to be slid into the organizer parallel to the columns above. Special features within the organizer help to prevent the pullout from sliding out or falling out once it has been pushed in completely. As with the organizer, the pullout template also has 7 permanent columns and rows, which we will refer to as vertical and horizontal fields. The horizontal fields on the template run parallel to the columns of medicine in the organizer. The 7 vertical fields on the pull-out template correspond to different characteristics of your medicine, such as the name of the medicine or over-the-counter supplement, the date it was prescribed and the initials of the prescribing provider, the shape, color, and markings on the tablet or capsule, the indication of the medicine or what it's used for, the intended result the medicine produces or the goal of taking it, any special considerations or monitoring parameters, and lastly, any possible side effects. The template can be completed by hand or using software such as Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Works. Each time a template is retired, you'll have a permanent record of your previous therapies, allowing you to easily keep track of what's worked and what hasn't. The last feature we'll discuss is the capability of the organizer to fit into a notebook, such as a 3-ring binder. A 1-inch notebook will comfortably house the organizer and around 50 pages of documents. Larger notebooks can be used to store multiple organizers and documents. For example, a 2-inch notebook can accommodate 2 organizers for a total of 28 medicines or medicine doses and over 100 pages of documents. In either case, the capacity of the organizer to fit within a notebook facilitates storing and organizing information pertinent to your stored medicines and supplements, whether general information, usage notes, information on medical conditions, monitoring results such as blood pressure or blood sugars, side effects, lab results, pharmacies, and healthcare providers.